Did you know you can recycle your food? The best thing we can do to reduce our food waste is to only buy what we need and to eat the food we buy. But sometimes food waste is unavoidable. Plate scrapings, out-of-date food, eggshells, meat bones, and even tea bags can all be placed in your food recycling caddy, ready for your curbside collection. Even if you only have a small amount to recycle, it still makes a difference. When your food is recycled, it's transformed into energy and fertilizer. This process is called anaerobic digestion. Food collected from Essex households is used to generate 100% renewable energy, enough to power 10,000 homes annually. When your food is collected each week, it's taken to a waste transfer station. From here, it's taken to BioCapital's East London Biogas, an anaerobic digestion plant in Dagenham. On arrival, the vehicle is weighed, and after leaving the weighbridge, the contents of the truck are tipped out for inspection. The food is then turned into a soup, which is fed into an enclosed oxygen-free tank where it's broken down by microorganisms. This lets off a low-carbon biogas which is transformed into green energy that can be used to power our homes and businesses. After this process, we are left with a material called biofertilizer, which is rich in nutrients and is a sustainable alternative to chemical fertilizer. The biofertilizer is then supplied to local agriculture customers and farmers to improve soil health and to grow more food. A great example of the circular economy in action. Small changes make a big difference. For example, if you recycle just 6 tea bags, you can generate enough energy to boil the kettle to make that next cuppa. By taking the time to recycle your food, you're helping to protect our planet. Together, we can make a difference.